What is the origin of whales? Imagine creatures that once roamed land, then gradually transformed into the giants of the ocean. That's the fascinating story of how whales came to be. About 50 million years ago, their ancestors were small, four-legged mammals living near lakes and rivers. They looked more like large dogs or goats, with long skulls and sharp teeth. These early animals hunted fish and sometimes entered the water to escape predators or find food. Over millions of years, they started changing to better suit life in the water. Their bodies became more streamlined, helping them swim faster and dive deeper. Their limbs turned into flippers, and their hind legs slowly disappeared. One of the biggest changes was their nostrils moving from the front of their faces to the top of their heads, forming what we now call blowholes. This made breathing at the surface much easier. The earliest known ancestor of whales is called Pakicetus. It lived near lakes and rivers in what is now South Asia. Pakicetus could walk on land and swim in water, but its skull still had features linking it to modern whales, especially in the ear bones. Later relatives like Ambulocetus spent more time in the water and could even drink salt water, showing they were beginning to live in coastal areas and estuaries. Whales are mammals just like us. They breathe air, are warm-blooded, and give birth to live young that nurse with milk. Their closest living relatives are hippos, which also spend time in water. Both whales and hippos share a common ancestor that lived long before either group appeared. This transition from land to sea is one of the most remarkable stories in marine evolution. It allowed whales to grow into the largest animals on Earth and thrive in oceans worldwide. Even today, their bodies still carry traces of their land-dwelling past, reminding us of their incredible journey.